All right, kiddos, this is your number corner activity. Today, what you're going to do is you're going to use your device and find pictures of the 3D shapes we've been talking about all through number corner in March. I know today is the first day of April, so we'll have a new number corner on Friday. But for now, let's just wrap things up. Take your advice, take your device and go into your house or anywhere. Like if it's a nice day and your adult wants to go outside with you, you can find these things outside too. You're going to find the picture of a cylinder, a triangular prism, a sphere, a rectangular prism, a cube, and a cone, each one of those. For the purposes of this activity, I just very quickly looked around my area. I didn't even go all the way around my house and found the shapes that I could find. Once you find the shapes, upload them into Seesaw, just like I have done, in the correct place. And here's the thing that I'm kind of excited to see you do. Once you've uploaded the picture in, I would like you to draw where and how you see the shape. So I'm going to get something that's a little fat and easy to see, like a tip that's, oh goodness, that's really fat. All right, maybe I don't want that. Maybe I want this one. All right, and I'm gonna draw where my cylinder is. So it's got a curved edge down here. This is kind of straight. You see it kind of curves up here. And then in the back, because remember these are 3D shapes, so what you're doing is you're making a two-dimensional representation of a three-dimensional shape, right? We've talked about that, my least favorite thing in the world. All right, and there's my cylinder, and you can actually see the bottom of it down here too, a little bit like that. So there's my cylinder, all right? And I took the picture that I saw as a cylinder and I showed you where it is a cylinder. I can do the same thing for my triangular prism, which in my case is just a piece of wood. I see this as a triangle, and these sides go down, and then you can't see the triangle on the bottom, and that's okay. So there's my triangular prism. Here's my sphere here. These are, it's kind of an old device that shows how the planets rotate around the sun. So there's a sphere there, and remember that and I don't want to draw just a circle, right? This is supposed to be a three-dimensional shape. So I'm going to I don't have dotted lines. They would be what I would go for, but I'm going to put a little arc right here and right here. That kind of indicates that it's a sphere, not just a circle. And then for my rectangular prism, I grabbed a salt shaker, which isn't, honestly, it isn't by definition a rectangular prism, but I see a rectangular prism in it. Like I see a rectangle face here. And you know what? I'm going to use a different color because use a wicked light color because the shaker itself is pretty dark. So I see a rectangle here, and then I see another rectangle here. And then there'd be one over on this side and one on the other side. So that's where I see my rectangular prism in the salt shaker. All right, so you're gonna find all 6 shapes, a cylinder, triangular prism, sphere, rectangular prism, cube, and cone. Okay, you're gonna find all 6 of those. You're gonna take pictures of them. You're gonna upload them into Seesaw, and then you're gonna draw draw on top of your picture where you see the shape. All right, good luck. I have my theory of which shape is going to be the hardest for you to find. I wonder if it's going to be true, if that's going to work out to be true. All right, I will see you Friday. Have a great day.